Hello friends, this is Ramna. Today I will show demo on how to create a new schema to import fact and dimension tables from Excel sheet. Okay, so first I will show my Excel sheet. This is chocolate shipments data Excel sheet which contains fact tables and remaining are dimension tables. So you see shipment sheet is a completely fact table. So this is related to shipment ID, SPID. SPID means salesperson ID, PID product ID, GID geo ID, ship date amount. So this is completely fact table. So you know about the details of the some of the columns SPID. There is one more column, one more table is called salesperson. SPID is nothing but salesperson ID and which team that person belongs to. Okay. So next it comes to PID. PID means product ID and what is the product category for the product. And GOID. GOID is the GID country and region name. Okay. And finally calendar. So all these are dimension tables and shipments is completely fact data about fact details. Okay, I want to load this whole data fact and dimension tables into my healthcare database. So right now I don't have any tables of this, and at the same time in this while loading I want to create schema. In the table you can see that all tables related to healthcare are comes under DBO schema. DBO is nothing but default schema. It's a database object. Now I want to create one new schema called product and I want to load all these tables into this new schema. Okay. For creating new schema, you can use create schema and my schema name is product. This is the syntax. So I am creating new schema in healthcare. This is second schema in the healthcare. Okay. Now I want to load the data from Excel sheet. So if you want to get the Excel sheet, right click, go to tasks, and here you can see import data. Just click on import data. So before that I need to close this sheet. Okay. So this is import export wizard. Go to next. So here it is asking to select data source. So here I want to select my data source. So as I shown earlier, my data source is Excel sheet. So I am taking Excel sheet here. So I am selecting the location. So my Excel sheet is saved in desktop. I am taking this Excel sheet, open and go to next. So immediately it asks me choose a destination. So here I want to select my destination. My destination is SQL Server. So I am selecting SQL Server native client. So my server name is admin. So this is my database. If you want to change your database, you can change. So here also. Okay. But I want to keep it in healthcare as it is. Go to next. So here I want to copy data from one or more tables. Go to next. So these are the default names in the Excel sheet. Okay, I am selecting all these, and here I want to change the names and schema here. Okay, so calendar. So I want to change the schema as product. We already created one new schema product. Okay, like that. So I want to change schema and table name here I am taking country and I'm changing the schema name as product. Okay, next. So my third schema name is here, changing product again and and here I am changing product underscore category. This is my table name. Okay, next product is my schema name. I am changing it as sales underscore person. This is my table name. So it is salesperson dollar symbol. Dollar means it's a sheet. Okay. So now I change it to sales underscore person. And finally shipment. So shipment I am taking here as shipments table. Shipments table I am keeping as it is. Changing the schema name as product. Okay. So I don't want to take this data. Okay. I'm leaving this data. So I want to load. So one fact table, or I will change the shipment fact to identify this is the fact table. Okay, shipment fact. So shipment fact and the remaining are completely dimension tables. Okay, go to next. Okay, so here there are two options: save SSIS package, run immediately. I'm taking immediately. Finish. So if you have any errors, it will fail. Now you can see everything. There are no errors. Okay, close it. Now refresh your healthcare database. Expand your tables. So earlier you can see you find only one schema DBO. Now you can see here. So all these product schema is created and a product calendar and product country, product schema name under the product schema name, product underscore category is the table name. So product schema name, sales underscore person, and shipment fact. Okay, if you want to cross check and check the shipment, there are 20,000, 25,000 orders are there. You can see here all these are 25,076. So enter data from three Excel sheets. The Excel sheet are loaded to new schema and data will be loaded from all fact and dimension tables. So this is how you need to create new schema and load from the Excel sheet and any flat file source using import export wizard into your destination SQL table. So thanks for watching the video. Thank you very much.